What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, kind people over at UAG was kind enough to send me over the Metropolis LT for the S24 Ultra. This is a dummy unit. I like to throw that out there so people will not be like, hey, she said she had a S24 Ultra and really it's a dummy unit. Well, this is a dummy unit, and we're just going to try this case on here so you can get a look and feel of what this case will look like if you plan on picking up the S24 Ultra and if you plan on buying this case. So pretty much this case will cost you $64.95. They sent me out this little camo looking snake skin one, and you can get this in a couple of different colors. You can get it in all black. You can get it in this color right here, which is the micro hex camo color, is what they sent me actually. You can get it in Kevlar olive and Kevlar black, but they sent it to me in the micro hex camo graphite. So pretty much we're just going to unbox this. So this does say you get 18 feet of drop protection, no problem. So pretty much this is what this case looks like out of the box. I do like that design and I like how that feels. Down here it does say Urban Armor Gear. Let's throw this in so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the case will look like on your S24 Ultra. Doesn't add too much weight. The buttons are kind of hard to press, but they do feel good. Well, you can see that, but they do feel good in the hand. Feel good to touch. You do get a nice lip around the edges, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. But if you want even more protection, I recommend you get a screen protector. At the bottom here, you do get all the cutouts that you are supposed to have. Nothing on this side. The back looks really, really, really nice. It's a sleek design. I like that. So if you place this flat down on the table on your cameras, you should have no problem there. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.